Welcome back, folks. Have you ever yearned for a spreadsheet that fuses the familiarity of a traditional one with the sheer force of code? Brace yourselves because your wish has come true with Quadratic. Prepare to be blown away by Quadratic, a game changing tool that empowers your team to collaborate on data analysis, delivering extraordinary results at lightning speed. Let's dive headfirst into this mind-blowing features that makes Quadratic the ultimate weapon in data analysis. First off, we are unleashing the boundless power of multiple languages right at your fingertips. With Quadratic, you can wield the language you and your team are fluent in. It speaks formulas and Python with the epic addition of SQL and JavaScript on the horizon. Bid farewell to those single line formulas that strain your eyes. Quadratic grants you the freedom to expand your formulas across as many lines as you desire, transforming your code into a majestic symphony of readability and maintainability. Are you also yearning to harness the might of third-party libraries? Fear not, for Quadratic has your back. It comes equipped with built-in Python library support, enabling you to summon the latest open source tools directly to your spreadsheet. Here comes the awe-inspiring revelation: Quadratic's integration with powerful AI. With the mind-boggling autocomplete powered by the magnificent GPT-4, you gain an unerring companion that elevates your productivity, providing guidance for data, formulas, and code, and much more. But hold on tight, because that's not all. Quadratic bestows upon you the ability to add data programmatically, embracing raw values, 1, 2D arrays, and pandas data frames by default. It's as simple as weaving enchanting code spells and witnessing the results materialize within your sprawling spreadsheet. Are you ready to seamlessly conquer APIs? Quadratic grants you the power to summon or fetch data from external APIs as well, which gracefully updates in real time within your Quadratic cells. No need for manual data entry, just pure magic. Prepare yourself for an unprecedented revolution with Quadratic, the world's first boundless canvas spreadsheet. Say farewell to the shackles of limitations and welcome an infinitely structured spreadsheet that stretches endlessly in every direction. Navigating this extraordinary realm becomes a breeze with Quadratic's pinch and zoom functionality. Whether you wish to gaze upon the grand tapestry or plunge into the minutest details, it all rests at your fingertips. But wait, there's even more excitement on the horizon. At Quadratic, they relentlessly strive to make this tool even more mind-blowing. Here's an exclusive sneak peek into some thrilling features that will soon come to life. We have real-time collaboration, data visualizations using Matplotlib and Plotly, SQL queries as well. How about that?